Friends, video, let's go. Friends, welcome to a new vlog, a very interesting one on the channel. And yes, today we are going to make a different vlog. Every time we are more of us. First of all, subscribe, leave a good like, hit the bell so you don't miss any vlog. And today we are here at the water park that invite us to do a bit of adventure with the water slides. It has been a while since I have come, so I imagine we have added new ones, so we will be try all the water slides. And you might say, what are you doing with the phone, man? Don't you have the match? Well, yes, we are so unlucky that we left the microphone at home, and today we have to record with the phone. But yeah, I think you can hear it already, so I hope you would not have to against me. Right now add the comment whether you like water park vlog, for example about my first life, so I can start making a better content on YouTube. And I, if you not subscribe, like I always say, subscribe. Let's go. Thank you, Waterwall, for the opportunity to invite me to this incredible water park. So as that friend, everyone follow them on Instagram. I will leave it up here. So yeah, friends, let's go inside. I come here with my friends. My family, we are here with us, guys, friends. Hello friends, you have enjoy a bit. Let's go slide, let's go. Okay friend, we are brought to Insta316 footer, but and you now, if you, that's a camera that's cost and last 600-700. So yeah, we are going to buy a cause, even if it is just a phone cause. We are going to try to put the camera, let's say I GoPro the Insta inside the cause, and will I last like yes, there will so come so some kind of solution And if you washing cars, we will use the phone and you will see it from the phone. There is no other option. Okay, do you now want to record your cam? And do I will you just allow here set. As a head shader and the past light, I am going to try at the red one. We have to wait and line, so let's see how I goes. Let's go. And there Colmo bad purchase. Savesam, let's go guys, let's go guys, let's go. No we are going to do down here with the guys. No, I don't want to take call John, let's go bro. So call that red slide. What amusing good egg arada. Do you tired or no? And playmaker, where did you up and touch the camera? How was the camera I turn on? Will now ads come from the red S. We are going to rest the pale marker Gutra and and will you see it from the Insta? Let's go here. I am going to crash them. I am going to crash them. Quick go daring. Here I crashed you. All I want. Who come second you on tired? And now for this one, I think trick here is to go slow. Well, watch out. And now for this one, I think the trick here is to go slow. Well, water out here. That's pretty bad. Watch out. We are also going to race to from the Insta 3. 316. Okay, go ahead first. Okay, head first. For YouTube, say I say. Good, I am smashed. My crazy. Let's go. Let's. crazy friend, we are already gone down the similar radar. Now we are moving on. on the on the bigger one, put on the big once my pill marker can't come with the camera, so that the can also enjoy it. We are going to record everything from the Insta360, so we will add some music and so you can see and bit of a vlog for how we going down everywhere. Did you enjoy that, guys? Wait a moment, would what you want not engine, but we got strict on one tricky. Yeah, I don't think so, Oga. We will see, guys. Now we are going to do done this one. To go up, you have to spin around. We are going to the up like this. Let's go. Duty, it was a dog, man. I was a good stir. Let's see. Let's go. Put a mother. No, girlfriend. We are here with Stepan, who is going to do my parent to go on the new red, because those guys left here. They are why I want my why. So we are going to do Stepan to Topaz, guys. But bastard, let's go. We are arriving, guys. We are already arriving. Say you, how you video, why. Go, let's see the other who must already be around here once. No, we left the phone as see a band doomed copy beers on the table and everything, but right crazy. But we what's that's the camera crazy cross daughter or got crazy. I will receive more now with the ones, bro. Let's go. Watch out, daughter, feel crazy. Yeah, it's our right mind bad start going down this brand with my sister. So nothing. Yeah, let's go, chill. Let's go. Yeah. To once my god, man, you maker, no joke, super